My name is Olga. I'm teaching English at the University of Technology. I'm pleased to have been enrolled on the course How to Teach with TED Talks, a practical course for English teachers. I do recommend this course because it helps me understand that video can be suitable for both beginners and advanced students. It depends only on the teaching techniques and activities the teacher uses to elicit vocabulary and grammar. The course allows me to interact with other people, including the instructor and other participants. Throughout the course, I'm encouraged by the instructor to share my thoughts, ideas, experience, and to respond other participants' comments as well.